Morning students, how are you? Now see chapter number 14 is of probability. See probability formula PE equal to number of possible outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. PE, probability of any event, is equal to number of possible outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Second formula, PE plus P of not E is equal to 1. Probability of any event plus probability of not of any event is equal to 1. So these two formulas will use in this chapter. And students, here concept of this one, playing cards concept, you know. Total cards 52, divide in two equal category 26. These are red, these are black. Then after this again in two equal category 13. These 13 are shaped like this, heart. This one like this, diamond. This one, black one, like this, club. This one shape like this is of spade. Starting 52 cards, then 26 red, black, then 26 red divided in two equal category 13, heart and diamond. Then these black divided in two equal category club and spade. After this, students, see playing cards number from 1 to 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. One known as ace till 2 to 10. With their number only they can represent. 11 tends to jack, 12 tends to queen, and 13 tends to king. So this one concept is of playing cards. Now concept of dice. Two dice concept. One dice, the possible outcome you know very well is R6. But if concept is of two dice, then total possible outcome become 36. Total possible outcomes become 36. Why 36? 1, then 1, 2, like this, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. On first dice 1 will come, second dice 1. On first dice 1, second dice 2 will come. On first dice 1, 3, like this. On first dice 2, then second 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5, 2, 6. 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Means on first die is 3, second die is 6. 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. 5, 1 on first die is 5, second die is 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Then 6, 1, 6, 2 on first die is 6, second die is 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. So student, total outcomes become 36. In exam sometime question can ask regarding doublet. D-U-B-L-E-T, doublet. Means on both dice same concept you will get, same outcome. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. So how many become? 6. So answer become 6 by 36, 1 by 6. So these two concepts are important, take it seriously. Now see beta, exercise 15.1, question number 1, fill in the blanks. Complete the following statement. Probability of an event plus probability of event not E. Written down board in starting. What will come? 1. The probability of an event that cannot happen is blank. Such an event is called blank. Event 0 cannot happen means 0, and such an event called impossible event. So like this you will complete these, fill in the blanks. So second question also of type of 1 mark. Which of the following experiment have equally like outcomes? Explain. This one also you can solve by your own self. See question number 3rd. Why is tossing a coin considered to be a fair way of deciding which team should get the ball in the beginning of the football game? Question number 3rd. Why is tossing a coin considered to be a fair way of deciding which team should get ball at the beginning? So as it's an equally likely event, therefore the teams have equally chances to winning the toss, because both team having equal chances. So 4th question is of MCQ. Which of the following cannot be the probability of any event? So probability will not become negative. So what will come? B option is correct. Now see question number 5. In question number 5, PE is given 0.05. So they are asking P of not E. How much? So we know that PE plus P of not E equal to 1. Therefore 0.05 plus P of not E equal to 1. This you will take on that side. P of not E, 1 minus 0.05, 1.00, 0.05, 59, 0. P of not E, 0.05. 9 5 become answer of question number 5. So student, complete your work till question number 5.